Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a yarn pom-pom. They're super easy, they're super fun. I'm going to teach you how to make one right now. For this project, you're going to need cardboard, scissors, tapestry needle, and yarn. I've got my pieces of cardboard already cut here, but the thing about it is whatever size pom-pom you want to make is the width, not the length, but the width of the cardboard that you want to cut. So if you want a 3-inch pom-pom, actually you're going to trim it, so probably say more like a 2 3/4 inch, because you're going to end up cutting a little bit to 2 1/2 inch, then you would do a 3-inch by 6-inch piece of cardboard. If you want a 3-inch pom-pom, then you would use a 3 1/2 by 6. If you want a 3 1/2 inch, you do 4 by 6. So basically, you want your cardboard to be a 1/2 inch wider than you want your pom-pom to be. So I'm going to be making a 3 1/2 inch here. And here's what I learned. Starting at the 3-inch, you want to do about 100 wraps. Every 1/2 inch that you add after that, you want to add 50 more wraps. So we're going to be doing a 3 1/2 inch pom-pom, which is going to cut down to about a 3-inch pom-pom. And we're going to want to do 150 wraps. And you're going, what is a wrap? This is a wrap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a wrap. And what you want to do is you want to do 150 of these. Now, once you get it started and you get that little end piece that you're holding with your thumb locked in, then you can start doing what I call the easy wrap, which is get your yarn all ready to go, and then you can just hold the yarn and move the cardboard, and it just makes it a lot easier. Okay, now we're right about there. We're at about 150. And snip off your string. Now, give yourself about a yard more yarn. So I'm going to take my string and I'm going to put it into my tapestry needle here, thread it through, and then I'm just going to pull this underneath the entire circle of yarn. I'm going to tie this off really good. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut this. You can leave a little bit extra there. Okay, now I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to bend this in the opposite direction. This is why cardboard is so great. And I'm going to take another piece of yarn and thread it in underneath. Pull that up. Now give yourself a goodly amount here. Tie this right in the middle. And now slide this off. And as you can see, you've got a little bundle. What I want you to do now is take your string, lay it flat, flip this whole thing over, and bring this from the bottom through that center up around the back side and tie it one more time. This is going to pull the whole thing together, and it's also going to make this nice and secure. See that? Okay, now here's the fun part. Come through and cut all these little loops. Make sure you get every one. Remember, you had a lot of yarn going around there in circles. You were making lots and lots of little loops, so make sure you get all of them. And then kind of fluff it open. So let's just make sure we got all of our loops. And then you want to fluff it open. There you go, fluff, fluff, fluff. And now you get to give it a haircut. And this is why you go a ½ inch bigger than the actual size you want, because you're going to trim it now. You're just going to get rid of all those little strays and make it circular. Or spherical is really what it is, not circular. Because it's three-dimensional. You just keep trimming that down till it's nice and fluffy and has that good spherical shape. And fluff it up. Just make sure that you got all the loose ends. And there you go. Fabulous pom-pom. And there you go. Fabulous pom-pom. And that's all there is to making your very own yarn pom-pom. Now, if you like this idea, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And you know what? It's time to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, because I'm going to show you a whole bunch of really fun projects for decorating your room using these little guys. So practice what I taught you, get really good at making pom-poms, and then come on back, because I'm going to teach you how to make some really fun room decor out of pom-poms. For more great ideas, check us out, Sophie-World.com.